Finding it hard to make your videos stand out? Want a creative boost without all the hassle? Keep watching to learn about a site better than Leonardo that can help you turn your ChatGPT stories into amazing visuals. Have you seen the boom of AI-generated videos on this YouTube channel? They're gathering tons of traction and catching everyone's attention. Today, we're going to dive into how you can bring your own ChatGPT-inspired videos to life using a site that's even better than Leonardo. Whether you're creating for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, we'll show you how to transform ChatGPT stories into eye-catching visuals that really stand out. And the best part? You don't need any special design skills or expensive software. Stick around to discover this awesome site that makes creating visuals super easy. Ready to up your video game? But before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Done? Okay, let's get started. First, you need a good story for your video. You can create your own story or get inspiration from an existing viral video. However, copying someone else's story too closely might lead to your video being tagged as duplicate content. Platforms like YouTube have systems that can detect when a video is too similar to an existing video, which might limit your video's reach or even take it down. The best option is to blend both methods. Take ideas from a viral video and use ChatGPT to modify the story. Start by finding a popular video from a successful channel. Take note of the video's main points, story, and key moments that made it popular. This gives you a strong foundation to work from. Next, head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, type in a prompt like, "Create an interesting story similar to the one I will share with you." Keep the same structure and summarize each chapter. Paste the story outline from the viral video and give ChatGPT some specific instructions. Use simple English and keep each line under 8 words. This helps create a clear and easy-to-follow story. ChatGPT will then generate a new story that's inspired by the original but unique to your content. If ChatGPT's response is too close to the original story, ask for a different version by typing, "Please provide a different version of the story." Keep experimenting until you get a story that aligns with your vision and still draws inspiration from the viral video. Using this method, you can take advantage of proven content while adding your own creative touch. This increases your chances of making engaging content that could go viral. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get back to the video. Creating visuals for your video. For generating images, we don't need Leonardo AI. Instead, use the top-tier text-to-image tool that can elevate your content, DALL-E 3. Although DALL-E 3 is a paid tool, you can access it for free through a simple method I'll show you. First, search for Bing on Google and click the first link. Once there, create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. After signing in, find the Copilot option on the page and click it. Then choose the more creative setting to enable DALL-E 3. Now, start a new conversation with ChatGPT and DALL-E 3 to begin creating your visuals. Begin by pasting the first sentence of your ChatGPT prompt. Then, include the following 4 key elements in your prompt for consistent image results. Main character name, scene of the image, background location, image style. Press enter after you've input your prompt. And within seconds, you'll see your generated images. These should closely match the style and quality you're aiming for. To create more images, simply repeat the process with new prompts. Copy and paste your text, adjust it as necessary, and you'll generate a series of images that keep a consistent visual theme. When you're satisfied with an image, download it by clicking on the image itself, then selecting the download option. With these steps, you can easily create and download all your visuals for your project. Now, let's create a ChatGPT-inspired video using Canva. We'll use Canva's free plan for this project, so you don't need any premium assets. Let's get started. First, choose the mobile video style in Canva. This format is perfect for creating engaging, attention-grabbing shorts. Next, import the visuals you've created. Go to the Upload tab and bring in all the images you've made using DALL-E 3 or other sources. Once you've imported them, click on the color wheel and match your colors to ChatGPT's signature color using the color code provided. Then, head over to the Elements section and scroll down to the Frame section. Choose circular frames and resize them as needed to fit your layout. Place them on the screen according to your visual plan. For more frames, you can either copy and paste existing frames or add new circular frames from the Elements section. Now, return to the Upload tab and bring in a ChatGPT logo and other images you want to use. Drag and drop them into the circular frames like you would put a photo in a picture frame. Keep the style consistent throughout the video. Next, go to the Text section and add a text box. Use the default font and type the words "you" and ChatGPT as needed. Position the text boxes in front of the respective images or logos, and make the text bold by clicking the B icon. Copy and paste text boxes as needed, and customize the text according to your video narrative. After placing the text, incorporate the key sentences you crafted using ChatGPT's story. Add each sentence to a separate text box, positioning them thoughtfully within your video. This will help tie the visual elements to your narrative. To enhance the video's aesthetics, head back to the Elements section and select decorative icons or graphics that match the ChatGPT theme. Adjust their size and color as needed to blend them seamlessly with your overall design. For smooth transitions between different scenes, add transitions. Click between two clips and select the transition icon. You might choose the slide-up animation or another effect you prefer. Adjust the duration of each clip by dragging their edges to maintain a consistent pace throughout the video. Once you're satisfied with the sequence you've created, duplicate the whole page 10 times because there are 10 sequences in your ChatGPT story. This way, each part of your story will have its own segment in the video. After duplicating, change the text and images in each of the 10 pages to match each sequence of your story. This keeps your visuals consistent while allowing you to tell a complete and cohesive story. Once you're happy with the overall look and flow, simply export the video. To elevate the viewer experience, consider adding background music that complements the ChatGPT theme. Then it will look like this: show video. By following these steps, you can craft a visually engaging and memorable ChatGPT-inspired video using Canva. Let your creativity shine through and have fun with your project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us which story you would like to try for your AI-generated videos. What kind of content are you most excited to create? Until next time, dream big, hustle harder,